Yn Sir Fynwy, dwi'n ymweld â Gwynllan White Castle i brofi'r gwin ceirog cyntaf i'w gynhyrchu yng Nghymru. Shwmai, Rob?
Shwmai, Bryn.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to White Castle Vineyard.
Thank you very much. Shwmai, Nia?
Shwmai.
Iawn?
Iawn.
Should we go see some vines?
Come and have a look at some vines, yes.
Oh, great day for it.
It is beautiful.
Hyfryd. Oh, braf de. Oh, nefoedd. This is my heaven, Rob.
Yes.
Nia, da chi wedi bod yn rhan o'r fenter yma o'r cychwyn cynta?
Do, mae Menter Busnes wedi helpu Rob cynnig yn heiaf cynta i meddwl pa farchnad dyle fod dargedu a chwilio am y marchnadoedd.
Rob, tell us the vines, where do they come from, which grape variety? I love wines. This is kind of my second world.
Good. So this is 5 acres, 5,000 vines.
Yeah.
Mainly Germanic hybrids. So they're designed for the cooler climates, so they grow well in Wales. We have 3 red varieties, Pinot Noir, Rondo and Regent. Then we have Phoenix, Seagrape and Seyval Blanc as our whites.
I have to say, Rob, I have an interest in one of your wines, the 1581. I'd love to see where they are and maybe taste them.
Yes, we can. We go and taste the grapes and then taste the 1581 after.
Fantastic. So, Rob, we are near the 1581, is it?
Yes, 1581, 1581.
Which variety is this?
This is the Regent grape.
And this is used for the
This is what we use
fortified?
for the fortified, yeah. So would you like a taste?
Yes, please.
Nia?
Diolch. Lovely.
Oh, that's so sweet, isn't it? And that's got my taste buds going.
So I think it's time to go and taste a little bit of 1581.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Mae'r rhif yn ddiddorol 1581. Be di'r syniad tu ôl y brandio yna?
Wel, mae'n cyfeirio at yr adeilad yma. Mae'n hen sgubor. Maen nhw'n dyddio fo nôl i o leia 1581. Mae'n bwysig iawn yn yr ardal. A maen nhw wedi adfer yr adeilad nôl i'w gyflwr gwreiddiol.
Deimlad braf dydi cerdded trwyddo fo i fynd i'r wynllan. This is the moment.
This is the moment.
Prost, slansio fa, iechyd da. Oh, that is really, really delicious. Bendigedig.
Thank you.
Gwaith caled i fi mewn i fyna.
Oes does? Iechyd da.